Bienvenue dans la magie des histoires.
Fido à la plage, d'Alain et Véronique Branchet, Stéphanie Le Picole, publié par les éditions Kamishibaï et proposé en version anglaise. This year, Fido has decided to spend his holidays at the seaside. This morning, he woke up early because he wanted to make sure he had the beach to himself. Awesome! There is nobody for the moment. I can choose the best place. Reading the newspaper, sunbathing and swimming. What a great schedule! He settles his things, lies down on his deck chair, and starts reading. Unfortunately, not for long. Ouch! A ball bounces on his head. Sorry, Fido, we didn't do that on purpose, apologized Daisy the cow and Flash the pony. Be careful, guys, protests Fido. Go play a little further away. Daisy and Flash take down their net and quickly move away. Good riddance. Now I'll have some fresh orange juice. Bad luck. Arthur is building a castle and unwittingly he throws some sand into Fido's glass. Be careful! Can't you make your mud pie elsewhere? Says Fido angrily. My orange juice is undrinkable! Yuck! Away, trouble maker! Sheepishly, the little pig leaves quickly. In order to calm down, Fido decides to listen to the soft lapping of the sea. I hope this time nobody will disturb me. Da-dee-da-doo-da, da-dee-da-doo-da. What's on this racket? Wonders Fido, jumping. This is Wildcats, Tigru's favorite song. Shush! Stop! I can't rest with all this din. Shoo! Tigru is vexed and moves a little farther away to listen to his music. Phew! Good riddance. Without those real pains, I'm going to enjoy the sun at last. Heck, what's going on? What's this shade on me? It's you, Gertrude. Do you want to prevent me from sun tanning? You should plant your sunshade elsewhere before I break it into pieces. And Jojo, stop looking at me like that. Gertrude is ready to cry. With Jojo, they don't understand why Fido is so mean. All of a sudden, Fido turns red and flies into a fury. He explodes and yells so loud that it scares everybody. Leave me alone! It's a general panic. They run ahead, on the right, on the left. Run for your lives! In no time, the beach looks like a desert. At last alone, thinks Fido, stretching delightedly on his towel. The softness of the warm sand is a real comfort. The sweet swish of the waves rocks and soothes him. Fido falls asleep. All at once, a chilly breeze picks up and wakes up Fido, who was sleeping like a log Hey guys, where are you? No one answers. Then Fido remembers his anger and gets sad. He blames himself for having chased away his friends. He hides under his towel and cries. Jojo, who has remained silent but who has seen everything, approaches slowly. What are you doing here? You come to bother me like the others. You make fun of me because I don't speak well. Not at all. You're wrong. Nobody makes fun of you, says Jojo reassuringly. We love you for what you are, and you shouldn't get so angry. I know. I regret scaring you earlier. I have lost all of my friends. Fido's heart is very dark, like the sky, which has just changed colors. Suddenly, a gust of wind sweeps away Jojo's rubber float, which flies off and falls in the sea. It drifts away from the beach very rapidly. My rubber float! Lily, come back! Yells Jojo. When they hear the shouts, the group of friends come back. What can they do? Without hesitation, Fido jumps in the water and swims as fast as he can. The sea has gotten rough. The wind whistles in his ears, and the salt water stings his eyes. How tough it is to swim with those huge waves that pull him down. He takes hold of Lily so as not to sink. Hopefully, the storm calms down a little, and Fido manages to get into the rubber float. He's exhausted but happy. He returns to the beach with little stroke of his paws. Courageous Fido! Exclaim Daisy and Flash in unison. Congratulations! You're so strong! Shout Tigru, Arthur, and Gertrude in chorus. You're my superhero, says Jojo, giving him a big hug. Thank you, my friends. I apologize for the hurtful things I said to you this morning. I'm sorry I offended you. They spend the afternoon joyfully playing games and laughing out loud. See you tomorrow, Fido, for another volleyball game, shouts Gertrude. On his way home, Fido thinks about this day, which was full of emotions. Something important occurred. Thanks to his friends, he has become self-confident. He feels very light, and he has something on his mind. What? He has become a lifeguard and is delighted to look after his friends. You can spot him easily with his outfit and the whistle around his neck. Jojo, is the water fine? Don't go too far away from the seaside with Lily, and enjoy the nice sun, my friends. And, can you hear? Fido speaks a lot better. Dum 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 dum.
Si tu as aimé cette vidéo, mets un like et abonne-toi.